We're just a couple of days away from the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's still plenty to discuss about this highly anticipated handset. Today, I have 4 new updates to share with you. First update. Samsung recently revealed in a blog post that they are enhancing one of their standout AI features for the Galaxy S25 lineup. You might remember that sketch-to-image feature that debuted with the Z46 last year. It was one of their most impressive AI tricks. Now, with the S25 series and One UI 7, this feature is getting a major upgrade. Previously, you could sketch an image with the S Pen or your finger, and the phone would generate a corresponding image in various styles. While impressive, it had limitations. If your drawing was too complex or your artistic skills were lacking, the AI might not deliver satisfactory results, or worse, throw an error. To address this, Samsung is expanding the input options. Beyond sketches, you can now describe the image you want using text or even voice commands. Don't worry, the sketching feature isn't going anywhere, it's just becoming more versatile. For instance, you could sketch a simple cat, type spacesuit, and the AI will generate your cat in a spacesuit. Similarly, you could draw a house and use text to specify its location. These updates make the feature more practical and less of a novelty. Samsung also confirmed this is just one of many features coming to the S25 lineup, with more details set to be revealed on January 22nd. For those wondering if this feature will roll out to older devices, the answer is likely yes, though it may perform better on the S25 due to its upgraded NPU. Second update. It's your last chance to enter Samsung's $5,000 giveaway and secure a guaranteed $50 Samsung credit. Even if you're not planning to buy the S25, it's worth entering since there's no purchase required. If you do decide to pick up the S25 Ultra, you could save up to $1,250 with trade-ins and credits. Don't miss out, check the link in the description. Third update. Speaking of trade-ins, Samsung has confirmed that the trade-in value for the S24 Ultra is $900. If you take advantage of the free reservation offer, you'll also receive an additional $50 credit. Assuming the S25 Ultra sticks to its $1,299 price tag, you could upgrade for just $350. While it may not be a must-have upgrade for S24 Ultra users, if you're all about owning the latest and greatest, this deal might be tempting. Fourth update. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature deeper integration with Gemini AI. Samsung has highlighted Gemini in its promotional materials, and it's clear this will be a significant part of the S25 series. Gemini will have extensions for key Samsung apps like Calendar, Notes, and Reminders, allowing for more personalized assistance and productivity. For example, in Calendar, Gemini can create, edit, or delete events and even generate events from images. In Reminders, it can handle tasks like creating or editing reminders. In Samsung Notes, it can summarize notes, create new ones, and retrieve existing notes based on descriptions or titles. Gemini's reach extends beyond Samsung's ecosystem, with integrations for Gmail, WhatsApp, Google Workspace, Spotify, and more. This makes it a powerful tool for managing daily tasks and staying organized.